So, I passed 2 FTMO $200,000 challenges on my first try. And if you doubt what I say, go ahead and scan the QR here. That's $400,000 in pop firm capital. No resets, no retries, no blowing the account in week 1 like most people do. And before you think I had some secret indicator, I actually didn't. What I had was discipline, structure, and zero interest in sitting on the charts all day. Let me break it down with 5 tips of what actually made the difference, because no one really talks about what actually matters. Tip number 1, sticking to a strategy is the most important part. Let me be clear, the reason I passed wasn't because I had some crazy sniper entry. I trade supply and demand, clean structure, simple rules, clear entries. But the key is this: I don't change my approach every week. I'm not switching styles, chasing the latest indicator, or over-optimizing things. I found what works for me, and I stick to it. Edge only works if you let it play out. Most traders fail these challenges, not because their strategy is bad, but because they can't stick to it long enough, or because the edge doesn't work. Simple as that. Second tip, risk management above everything else. This is the real secret sauce. I only risk 1 to 2% per trade. I go for 1 to 2 up to 1 to 4 setups, and I hold it for days, weeks, or even months till I hit my set target. That's it. I give my trade space to breathe, because I'm not trying to scalp for 10 pips and a dopamine hit. I could get that from something else. You get 3 good trades in a month with proper R&R, and you already hit the FTMO target. But what most people would rather take is 25 low quality trades and stress themselves out for what? Tip number 3, I don't watch my MetaTrader while in the trade. I only watch TradingView, not MetaTrader. If you're gonna obsess over something, obsess over the chart, not the floating numbers. Watching your P&L in real time will mess with your head. You'll start making emotional decisions. Stick to the setup, not the money. I place a trade, close the app, and I walk away like it owes me money. Why? Because staring at your floating P&L will have you making the worst decisions. You start thinking, oh, it's up 1%. Should I close it? Wait, it's back to break even. Should I add more? Should I react? Listen to me. No. Just let the trade play out and it will work for you. Tip number 4, I build structure before the challenge. I didn't wing it. I didn't start journaling after I passed. I treated trading like a business before I got funded. I knew my setup, my risk, when I was entering, when I was walking away. Most people treat the FTMO challenge like a get rich game. It's not. It's a pressure test. And if you don't have the structure going in, the market will humble you very fast. My last tip number 5. Passing isn't the goal. Staying funded is. Yeah, getting the email saying I passed both accounts felt good. But that's not the goal, right? That's just the start. This is where it actually gets hard. You pass, you get capital to manage. Now the real work begins. You stick to the same system, same routine, same mindset that made you pass the challenge, right? No ego, no revenge trading. No, I'm funded now, it's time to lock in. What's the best thing to do is keep it boring. That's how you stay funded. So yeah guys, I passed $400,000 in FTMO funding on my first go. Not because I'm a genius trader, but because I stayed consistent, stayed calm, and followed my plan. And if you're still here, flipping $100 accounts and hoping to pass FTMO by luck, it's not gonna happen. You need structure, a solid edge, and the discipline to stick with it, even when it's boring. And when the pressure hits, you stay locked in. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you got some valuable information out of it. I got more videos coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.